Perhaps it began with an explosion. The universe of energy erupting into the nothingness. Gas clouds forming from this energy. Particles in the vacuum of space condensing to form solids. Matter being drawn together, creating mass. Being drawn together, forced together by the vacuum that surrounded it. Building in mass, drawing in more and more. Heat generated by pressure. Heat generated by each impact, generated by the rupture of atoms. Asteroid belts condensing into planets, asteroids and stars and planets colliding, forming and reforming, energy moving from form to form. And on the edge of this universe grows a small star. And around the star gathers a collection of stable planets, which have also grown from the debris of exploding stars. And upon one of these planets, on the third planet from this sun, on this planet we call Earth, a crust formed above the molten center, and as this crust cooled, gases escaped through it. And water formed within its atmosphere, creating oceans, dividing land from sea, and organisms grew in every part of the planet. And this place, and this life, we have come to know as Gaia. And when Gaia was over 4,500 million years old, we appeared, the human species, learning to control the energy, coming to believe in the technologies we created, to believe they would allow us to do all things within Gaia and beyond. Yet at the moment that we felt certain that we could control all, we rediscovered the true nature of Gaia. Our entire biosphere. The plants, the animals, rocks, the oceans, the soil, the atmosphere, the whole of our planet can be seen as one entity, one connected life. Just as our body contains cells that are not conscious of being cells within our body, so each part of our planet operates unknowingly with all the other parts, forming one complete network with a life of its own. We are part of this. We have a place in the system, and are responsible for the way we behave, for what we take from it, and how we make use of it. And it's all about energy. For food, we farm, we fish, we harvest the forest and woodland for fuel and building materials. We mine and drill to drive production. To generate energy, we flood the lands, trap great rivers, and try to control the might of the atom. But now we must change. We have found other ways of generating that energy we need. Ways that draw from the network of forces around us without damaging our place within Gaia. Now we can harvest the wind. Harvest the power of the sun. Drawing energy from the oceans and the tides. From waste we have made or plants we can process, even from the very core of the earth. Our cities can become cleaner. The power we use to fill the night can come without cost. Our children can see a future. Our future. Here we can live among the magnificent spectacle of our planet, with the great and the strange and the beautiful.